Hey there, I'm Isha and this is NextGen STEM Learners, where kids just like you build real games, real apps, and dance along creations, one drag and drop block at a time. In Sprite Lab, kids design and animate their own characters, bringing stories to life block by block. In Dance Party, they code characters to move to the beat. Coding meets music and creativity. And in App Lab, kids build real working apps from quizzes to games. With four full playlists and over 50 lessons, there's always something new to build. No experience needed, just curiosity. Whether you're a total beginner or ready for your next challenge, every lesson is designed to be simple, fun, and hands on. Hit subscribe and start your coding journey with our free Sprite Lab series. Link right below. Let's start coding.